What's going on, everybody? Ron Murray, Mr. High School Holla. It's a great day at K104. K104 1-800-TRUCK-WRECK. Beast of the Week. We got him in the building. And with me, out of South Oak Cliff, Death Row, running back Cam Davis. What's going on, Cam?
What's up?
Let's talk about the game he had against Seaganville. 305 rushing yards, 3 touchdowns. Just talk about that game, Cam.
They came in talking a lot of smack.
Because they were undefeated in the district, right? Okay.
Yeah, they just beat Kimball, so it was also our homecoming week, so we weren't gonna let that happen. And we already knew it was a better team than them. So, I had to make a show.
I know Coach Ty gets y'all motivated. Coach Ward, all them out there get y'all motivated. Can you say some of the, not necessarily what they told y'all, but how was practice and everything? Was it real intense? How was it?
Nah, it wasn't intense. It was really more relaxed and more hype because, it was our homecoming week, we get juiced up off of hype, turn up and stuff in practice, music and stuff. So yeah, through that whole practice, we was just, doing our regular stuff, and we came and played.
Got the dub. So the next question I'm gonna ask you, the biggest moment from the game, and I'm just gonna assume, I'm gonna guess, 100-yard run
108.
108. 108. 108-yard run for a touchdown. Walk us through that play and how it just all unfolded.
Okay, so the ball fumbled over the quarterback and it went to the back of the end zone. I picked it up. I was just trying to get out the end zone so we didn't get a safety, but I broke and I was just saying I'm 60. I ain't gonna let nobody catch me, so it's gonna be touchdown.
House. So there wasn't anybody else by the football. You were just like, hey, I got this.
No, it was people by the football. I had to break about 2-3 tackles and then I broke and it was a dude up there, but my blockers was, blocking for me. So
okay. So you are a junior.
Yes, sir.
What can we expect from South Oak Cliff next season?
A way better season. We gonna come into this season more serious. We got a lot of transfers coming in, and the people who still here, we were still as a young team last year. So I can see us, competing for the state championship.
Okay, so how I read that you do have the offer from Georgia Tech, correct? So how has your recruiting process been so far?
It's been good. They've been staying in touch with me. I got 3 of the offers, but right now my recruiting is open.
Okay, so this is the last thing. One thing I know about people from SOC, they're very prideful. And would you say playing for SOC that there's almost like a target on y'all sometime and everything? The SOC. Would you say that sometimes?
Yeah, I feel like anybody who put SOC on their chest is like it means something. So it's like you can't just play for SOC and just to play. You gotta actually be in the culture. Like you gotta buy in, and you actually have to be the person who SOC wants you to be, which is an athlete.
All right. Before we get out of here, Cam, throw some shout outs out there.
Shout out my mom, my dad, Coach Davis. That's my running back coach.
Shout out Coach Davis.
It wouldn't have been possible if it wasn't for him. Coach Ty, Coach Ward, and I want to shout out to my girlfriend.
She came with him tonight. Shout out to her.
She been there since day one, so
Hey, you keep her. Cam Davis, South Oak Cliff, Death Row, Ron Murray, Mr. High School Holla, K104 1-800-TRUCK-WRECK. Beast of the Week. We're out of here.
Beast of the Week. Who's making noise? Beast of the Week.